am Stijn Lefevre. I am an asset engineer at SeaPower. SeaPower is the first wind farm in the Belgian North Sea. At this moment we are here in our training facility in Belgium. We operate 54 turbines and we provide green electricity for around 300,000 households. We are the only wind farm that has no service contract with the supplier, and so we are fully responsible for our own maintenance and operations. SeaPower's wind farm is very important for the Belgian electricity and the sustainable energy supply, because we are not only supplying 326 megawatts to the grid, we are also an example of how we can harvest wind power offshore in the North Sea. We chose the STAHLWILLE torque wrenches because of their reliability, their durability, and the ability to have the correct torque for everywhere from 20 Newton meters to around 800 Newton meters. The most important feature of our torque wrenches is that they are lightweight. STAHLWILLE torque wrench is lighter than the most brands we have tried. This is especially handy when it comes to the helicopter transport. The helicopter has a weight limit, so that means we can take more tools in the same bag, which is more efficient to our day-to-day operation. The big advantage of a mechanical torque wrench of STAHLWILLE is that we don't have to return it to zero every time after use. That means we save some time. Every minute counts on the wind turbine. At the moment we have more than 100 torque wrenches in use at this site. The worst that can happen if we have an incorrect torque is a bolt that becomes loose. For example, if this happens in the generator and the bolt falls into the generator, and if we have to replace the generator, it costs us around €500,000 to replace it. So we don't want loose bolts in our machine. Besides the torque wrenches, we also have spanners, socket sets, screwdrivers, and a lot of small hand tools that we use in our training facility and offshore. Some of the mats have been designed to only hold the tools that we specifically need on the turbine. When we go by helicopter, we can take the correct tools and still keep the weight at an acceptable level. Every time a technician leaves a platform, he has to check if he has all his tools with him. Therefore, it's very handy that the STAHLWILLE foams have two colors. He immediately sees if he is missing a tool or a part.